Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 2nd to 6th March 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 1.81% positive move, 5278.97 is the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone, which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small lower upper and a small lower wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI, it is around 78-88 levels, which is indicating as a around at overbought area, which is indicating as a negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the bell, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here, this is a 1-day chart. In this 1-day chart, if I talk about important support zone, the important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you're interested or if you want to learn trading with me from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Even you can use the link given in the description where you can directly buy the course. Remember, this course is not a pre-recorded session. These are all live one-on-one sessions which will help you to take trading too seriously. Only people who are too serious of trading, then they only apply. Otherwise, if you want to do time pass, then don't apply to these courses. So overall, if you want to apply, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number, or you can use the link given in the description directly by, then I will contact you for the sessions. So let's now talk about the closing. Here 5278 is the closing. Here the direct support is 5251, direct resistance is 5300. After direct support, there is a support of 5201 and then 5150. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 5350 and then 5415. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Then remember, then do also mark these levels on your chart as well. So now, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared Propform links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or Propform, I've already made a dedicated video on what is Propform, how it works, and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, if you think these rules of Propforms are very strict, then you can also try the real account, that is from the real broker, where you put your own money and then trade. I have already given in the link in the description of GTC FX. You can open your account from there. This link will help you to also give a additional benefit of me adding you into the premium membership of Telegram. Then you can directly use my trades as well to earn money. If you are interested, then do let me know in the comment section. Also, you can WhatsApp me once you register from the GTC FX link given in the description. So now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week. So overall, the trend is positive. My expectation is a bit positive. I'm expecting a positive momentum at around this level, that is 5300 to 5350 levels. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 50 to 51 gets breached and a 1-day or a 4-hour candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till 5200. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive. If there is a big gap of opening, then you can directly go for a long trade. But if there is a short or a gap down opening, then you can go for a short trade once 4-hour or 1-day candle gets closed below this, then you can target this level overall. My expectation will be positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.